We have just gone through the current threat landscape. It is absolutely imperative to stay up to date with the latest threats in the threat landscape and to stay up to date with the ways to stay protected against those threats. In order to stay up to date, you need to get yourself access to regular threat intelligence reports. For your convenience, I provide to all students a weekly threat intelligence report where I provide you with the latest in security news, threats, vulnerabilities, cool new tools, alerts, and also my recommended reading. So go to this URL now and register your details to get the threat intelligence report. That's www.stationx.net/alerts. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stay up to date. Pause the course and register now. Make sure you stay up to date with the latest threats.